my channel. My name is Akshat and you are watching Learn Electronics and Robotics. In this video, we will learn about how to make an auto irrigation system using L2983D, Adriuno and soil moisture checking sensor. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my latest videos. Let's start. Let's see the testing. I will plug in the battery. You can use a 9-volt battery. You have to use more than 7 volt. Okay, so I am using 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. If you are not having, you can use 9-volt battery. I am plugging it and I am just pressing the reset button so that it won't start. Just see, and now I am releasing my button and just observe what will happen when I will release it. 3, 2, 1, go. Because it is sensing that moisture is very low. but once it will sense that moisture is high, then it will stop, as you can see. And then when I just take out the sensor, it again starts, because it cannot sense any moisture, right? And then again when I do this, it again stops. So this is the auto irrigation system. Means if my sensor will sense that moisture is there, so the pump will not throw water, like as you can see. And when it will not sense moisture, then the pump will start, until and unless it will sense moisture.